Hey y'all, welcome to Thrifty Tashi. So today's video is going to be quite different than my original thrift haul, thrift with me kind of videos that I love to share here on my channel. My husband and I went to go view a model home in Port Saint Lucie, Florida. We currently live in South Florida. This is our very first home and we love our home. We're so grateful that we were able to afford, especially in South Florida where everything is expensive. My dream was just to live in a low-key kind of area, and I really just focusing on more of like that forever kind of home. So we're looking at other places. We started off in Port Saint Lucie. We're also going to go on many road trips to different parts of Florida. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more, because I am going to document the whole process. It's just going to be a fun journey. So I'm going to share the clips of us looking at the first model home. That's the front door. Entry. Right. That's a queen size bed in the bathroom.
So is this an extra room too?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. So that's.
I think this is a
4-2.
Okay. These are spacious. In the bathrooms, it's spacious.
Yeah, it's a garage.
It's a 2-car garage. This is like an office. I like the carpet. Oh, these.
Oh, that's the locations.
Oh, it's Savannah.
They got
Yeah, all over.
Because this is a 4-2-2.
What's that right there?
What?
Right here? No, right here.
It's like a. Oh, that's what the
utility.
AC.
Okay.
AC. This is must be where you put
The laundry.
laundry and stuff. Nice. Oh,
Linen.
Linen.
I like, because that's the entry over there. You see, you got a little where you can decorate.
Too, yeah.
You know that mirror that I brought? Go right there.
Yeah.
I keep saying, no, really, I have to take it in.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna get you a base price sheet as well.
Okay. Do you like how this is separated from the dining?
Right. It's nice.
It's cozy but spacious. I know I keep saying that, but not the furniture.
No.
That's the.
I guess you decorate.
But look how high the ceilings are. Like,
Not do you like this height, or do you like the ceiling's height?
that's fine. I'm very simple. I can easily see my country style decorations in here. Like, it's not. And look, over here, that's where the TV could go.
Right.
I actually like this layout a lot because the patio is over here.
I like that there's a wall to the patio, so you get some kind of protection from the elements.
Right.
You get some shade.
Look at them trees.
I like how the yard is, how it's laid out. Grass, you keep it neat, see?
That is nice. Wow, that's nice. I like this tile floor too. This is really nice. I can easily decorate. Like, it's not nothing overwhelming and it's not underwhelming. You know, it's like, I like the big window. The TV here, we already got a TV stand. That's the entry. So this is the master. Say the best for last. No, kitchen is actually my favorite. I like the carpet too. Wow, this is really spacious. Is this a king size bed?
Yes.
You see? Okay.
That's very spacious.
Side tables.
You see the oversized side tables? Wow.
It's very spacious.
That is very spacious. And we have a queen bed. So, wow. Okay. Recess slide in.
I got private.
This is the master bath.
You like this?
I like the shower because I like glass, but I like towel in it.
Yeah.
I don't like that material, whatever it is. But it comes with the house.
Yeah, we got always like that. That's the,
But I think I'll live with it for a while.
Yeah.
Like, it's not. Oh, the sink is nice. We got 2 sinks. But here's a half sink.
Yeah.
I love the flows.
Pantry.
Not pantry, but linen closet.
Linen.
It's huge. Linen closet. Here go the private toilet thing. I'm not a fan of that, but whatever. It's just too many doors, in my opinion. Look at this closet. Wow, it wrapped all the way around.
The unit is very quiet.
Yeah, that's the updated one. We have a 70s version. Look at the trees. I would definitely like a house with all these trees.
That is so quiet to me.